This video shows you how to replace the pick roller assembly of your Lexmark printer. Depending on the model, the appearance of your printer may vary. Turn off and unplug your printer. Remove the imaging unit and tray from the printer. To avoid print quality problems, do not touch the photoconductor drum and do not expose it to light for more than 10 minutes. Position the printer on its side. Remove the used pick roller assembly. Install the new pick roller assembly. Return the printer to its upright position. Insert the tray, and then insert the imaging unit into the printer. Connect the printer to the electrical outlet using the power cord that came with the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.